How to install a hard start on a fan motor. So this person's AC is, it's decent, but the fan motor is not turning on. The compressor works, but the fan motor is not kicking on. See, this is supposed to be spinning, but that sound is the compressor inside, and so we need to fix that. So we have our hard start here. It's got 2 wires, and this AC unit outside already has actually a hard start hooked up to the compressor and the common. So on most capacitors, they'll have like a little engraving, which is kind of hard to see, but like right there is a C engraved in the metal. C is for common, and then right there is fan, F-A-N, fan, and then in the back on where the yellow wire is, I can't show it from this angle, but it says HERM, H-E-R-M, which I believe stands for hermetic compressor. It means compressor, basically. So this means that the compressor was already having a hard time starting, so they gave it a little boost, whoever put this on, to get the compressor started. But now the fan's not starting, so we're gonna hook another one up, but to the fan. So the way you do this is we got to take the brown wire off. So if it's ever like not engraved, but you're looking at a capacitor, which this is what a capacitor looks like. It's usually like just like a silver colored tube outside, like on this part of the AC unit, and the brown wire is fan. Like almost always brown means fan for wiring. So I'm gonna take that wire off there, and these actually have like a little prong on the end that you can fit this wire onto, like so. See, the wire fits on there like so, making a connection, making the like metal to metal connection. Alright, and then it fits back on to the prong here. It fits back onto the prong here, like so. Alright, and then we have let's see, too many wires here. Then we have the other wire, and this goes on the common of the capacitor. So when you're using a hard start on a fan, to trying to give the fan a little extra boost, then you hook one wire up to the common and then one wire up to the fan. And if you want the compressor to give the compressor a boost, then you hook it up to the common, and then the other one on the HERM, or compressor, little metal piece here. So let's plug it in. Also, when you're, I should have said this at the beginning, when you're working on electrical stuff in general, like always disconnect the power, wear gloves just in case, especially when dealing with capacitors, because these store charge and they can still shock you even when the power is off. And so plug this back in. Ta-da! Fan's working. AC is 65, it's set to 65, and it's 67 degrees inside. Alright, so I'm gonna put everything back together. So also, when you're putting this all back together, still wear gloves, because like this is metal, and if this capacitor, like somehow like you accidentally bump it and it touches the metal, then you know, this metal touches your hand, you're gonna get shocked. So it's best to just keep gloves on while you're putting everything back on. If you put a hard start on the fan motor and it doesn't work, then the next thing that I would check would be the fan motor itself. Would replace the fan motor. So that's another video. All good. Like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to close this.